friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest flagship smartphone from Tecno in India, the Tecno Phantom 9. So this device was announced last week and it comes with a really good hardware. It has the AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint scanner, 6GB RAM, a 128GB storage being offered, Helio P35 octa-core processor, and it also has Gorilla Glass 3 support. Apart from that, the battery capacity is at 3500, and on the camera front it has a triple rear camera and a front 32 megapixel selfie camera as well. So that's the device. So it's really power packed device for this price segment, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing. So this is a box package. It's quite a unique box package with the silver color, and we have the in-display fingerprint scanner mentioned here. The Phantom 9 is also mentioned. We have a one-time screen replacement is offered by Tecno, and here we have the 128GB storage with 6GB RAM, and the color variant is Lapland Aurora. That's the variant we have. And you can also see AI triple camera, in-display fingerprint scanner, dual front flashlight, and 128GB storage and 6GB RAM is included. Helio P35 is the chipset, and the battery capacity is at 3500, and the software is Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. So let's get started with the unboxing. So let's open the box. So opening up the case, you can see this Phantom 9 branded box. So let's see what comes inside this box. So you can see there is a SIM ejector pin, and there is a case included with the box package. 12 plus 1 warranty information is included. Then you also get the manual included here. This is the user manual, and all the features are mentioned here. So Tecno branding. So SAR value is also mentioned here. So that's the head SAR and body SAR included with this manual. And this case looks good actually, because you can see this is a nice finishing here. You can see the Tecno branding and also Phantom branding is there. It's a pretty good quality case included. Then you get the actual Phantom 9. So that's the Phantom 9. So let's just take this out. So AI triple camera, in-display fingerprint scanner, and dual front flashlight, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. So let's just take this out, and I will just peel off this screen guard sticker as well. So you can see this is the variant, this is the Aurora color, and we have the triple rear camera setup. This also has a pattern on the back panel. You can see there is a pattern on the back panel, and Tecno branding is there. There is a gradient color to this that looks pretty good. And on the front panel we have an AMOLED display, and there is a double flashlight included for this device. That's something which is pretty good. You can also see that this is an AMOLED panel, and the bottom section has a micro USB charging slot, and the speaker unit and 3.5mm audio jack. And the right side houses the power key and the volume rocker keys. The left side has the SIM tray. Top panel does not have any openings or slots. Now let's boot the device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box package. So there you go. You can see an earphone is included with the box package, which is quite good. And then we also get the standard charging and data SIGI cable. And finally we have the adapter. Let's see the voltage rating for the adapter. So this is rated at 5 volt 2 ampere. So that's 10 watt charging. So that's pretty basic charging included. Now let's boot the device and have a look at the interface and also the camera samples. So now we have booted the device. So you can see the AMOLED display, and looks really nice. The viewing angles are really good. The sharpness levels and colors are really great. You can see that the AMOLED display definitely has great colors as well. So that's the AMOLED display on the Tecno Phantom 9. So overall it feels really nice. Now let's also have a look at the in-display fingerprint scanner. So this is the in-display fingerprint scanner, and the performance is quite good. You can see that that's the fingerprint scanner performance. So you can see how fast it is. So that's the in-display fingerprint scanner. Now let's have a look at the software. So this device runs on iOS. That's the custom UI, and on top of that we have Android 9.0. So you can see the specifications mentioned here: 6GB RAM, 128GB of storage, 16 plus 2 plus 8 megapixel camera. 16 is a primary camera, f-stop 1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and 2 megapixel depth sensor included. 3500 mAh capacity battery, Android 9.0, and we have also the screen resolution as 1080 by 2340 pixels. So that's the UI. So this device also comes with additional options. There is support for themes, and you can also configure the system navigation. So some really useful options are included. So it has Android 9.0 out of the box. Now let's have a look at the camera on this device. So this device has a 16 megapixel primary camera. So this is the camera. We have video, AI cam, beauty mode, bokeh mode, AR shot. So these things are available. So video recording is at 1080p resolution. So let's see if there is any support for 4K. So there's no support for 4K. It's restricted to 1080p resolution, and AI cam is included. You can also see there is an ultra wide angle camera available, so you can just toggle this and get the ultra wide angle camera, and there is also 2x zoom available. So that's the camera. Now let's have a look at some of the camera samples taken with the Tecno Phantom 9. So these are some samples taken with the Tecno Phantom 9. So overall the camera quality definitely looks good, and this is having a pretty good overall performance. The wide angle camera also gives some really good experience. The device also comes with a front 32 megapixel selfie camera, and there is dual LED flash included, and flash are available on the either side of the 32 megapixel shooter. So that's something which is pretty good. So these are some samples we have taken with the Tecno Phantom 9. Now the phone also comes with 3500 mAh capacity battery, which is quite good battery capacity and should be able to last slightly more than a day on the basis of our assumption that generally 3500 mAh capacity batteries last for more than a day. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Phantom 9, the flagship smartphone. So some interesting options for the device is that the AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint scanner, triple rear cameras, and the camera quality is pretty good. And overall design also feels quite good. We have the gradient pattern, the triple camera setup, and it feels quite good in hands as well. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Phantom 9. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.